Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So when you open your Roblox application, you need to make sure that you sign in your account. Then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then scroll down to bottom, and then tap these settings. Now under the settings, you need to tap on account info. Now here on my settings under the personal, you'll find here a button which is to verify your age. So you need to make sure that you are older than 13 years of age. So you need to verify and complete all the details. You just need to present some IDs to verify that you are older than 13 years of age. Now, once you've done, you can now go back to the settings and tap this privacy button. And then here, as you can see under the beta features, as you can see, enable voice chat. So enabling voice chat will use your microphone input in voice enabled experiences. So just need to toggle these on. So that's it. That's how you basically get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.